Good afternoon, everyone. This is teacher Shubhangi, and we are going to learn the chapter that is joint bar graph. Okay, joint bar graph. In sixth standard, we have seen bar graph, right? Everyone have seen bar graph. But in seventh standard, we are going to learn about joint bar graph. So why this term joint bar graph? Okay, why this term joint bar graph is there? Why not bar graph simply? Why the term joint bar graph has been given? Okay, so why this joint bar graph term is given? Why? Because we are going to compare. We are going to compare the whatever given data is there. We are going to compare it by using bar graph, by using this graph. Okay, by using this bar graph. Okay. Um, okay. Now the question to you is, the first question to you is what it is. The number of saplings planted by school on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. Number of saplings. Saplings means what? जो छोटे छोटे plants होते हैं, that is known as saplings, right? The number of saplings planted by school on World Tree Day. World Tree Day में schools ने sapling plant करने का काम करने वाले हैं, किया है, is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. Okay, so two schools have planted the saplings. Okay, so which plants, which saplings are these? Almond saplings, Karanj, Neem, Ashok, Gulmohar. Means Nutan Vidyalaya also planted these plants, these saplings, that is almond, karanj, neem, ashok and gulmohar. And Bharat Vidyalaya also planted these almond, karanj, neem, ashok and gulmohar. But which school has planted more saplings? Which school has planted less saplings? That we are going to compare by using this bar graph. Okay, so both the school have planted same kind of saplings. See, almond, karanj, neem, ashok, gulmohar. Both the schools, this Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya, both the schools have planted the same kind of sapling, right? Same kind of sapling, but the plants planted are different, है ना? जैसे नूतन विद्यालय ने 40 almond saplings plant किया है. Current school has planted 60 saplings. Nutan Vidyalaya has planted neem saplings, that is 72. They planted ashok saplings, that is 15. Gulmohar 42. Similarly, Bharat Vidyalaya has planted, they also planted almond sapling, but the numbers are different. These numbers are different. So these we are going to compare by using joint bar graph. Which school has planted more almond saplings, which school has planted less almond sapling, which school has planted more neem sapling, which school has planted less neem sapling. That we are going to learn by using joint bar graph. By using joint bar graph. Why it is known as joint? Because the two schools which we are going to compare are joined together. See, if you see this, see, wait a minute. Name of saplings and number of saplings planted. Now, what is the first process? What is the first step to plot a graph? First, draw x-axis near the bottom of the graph page. See, for example, this is your graph page. Wait a minute, student. Wait a minute. See, for example, this is your graph page. This is your graph page. And this is the bottom of the graph page, right? Bottom of the graph page. So where your x-axis should be? Your x-axis should be near the bottom of the graph page. Okay, near the bottom of the graph page. And where your y-axis should be? Your y-axis should be near the left-hand side of the graph page. Near the left-hand side of the graph page. Now first draw the x-axis. Okay? First draw x-axis. Okay. So draw with me whenever I am giving you instructions. Just wait a minute. Just see, first see this and then draw. Okay. सो फर्स्ट you have to draw x axis. पहले आप समझ लो, उसके बाद ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है. Then draw the y axis. After that you have to draw y axis. Second step is to draw the y axis. Okay, your first step is to draw x axis, name it as x, and your second step is to draw y axis. Okay, and name it as y, and this is your point of origin, that is 0. Okay, point of origin. Now as per data, what is given as per the data? See, नूतन विद्यालय 40, 42, 60, 38, 72, 60, 15, 25. तो ये कौन से रेंज में है? 10 to 100, 10 to 100 के रेंज में है. तो we also take the range of 10 to 100. ठीक है, तो we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 10. 1 centimeter is equal to 10. ये जो हमारा first box है, that is of 1 centimeter, right? In our graph book, that 1 centimeter line, these two lines are dark one, right? Two lines are dark one. So one dark line represent 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. 2 centimeter is equal to 20 saplings. Wait a minute, students. First understand and then chat. Huh? That's why I stop your chatting over here. After that, I will allow you to chat with me when the problem is completed. I have just started right now. Okay. So this is x-axis. Take your x-axis near the bottom of the graph page and take y-axis near the left-hand side of the graph page. Okay. Now this 1 centimeter, now take second step is to take the scale. Okay. First step is what? Draw x-axis. Second step is to draw y-axis. Name it as y and name it as x, and this is your point of origin, that is 0. Now second step is to draw a scale. Okay. So on y-axis, we are going to take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. Sorry, why I am going to take 1 centimeter equal to 10 saplings? Because जो भी आपका डेटा दिया हुआ है टेक्स्ट बुक में, that is in the range of 10 to 100. किसी का 72 है, 55 है, 45 है, 15 है, तो that is in between 10 to 100. 10 to 100 exact we cannot take on y scale, right? So we can take equal number of saplings so that your data would be fixed in that, fitted in that. So just 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 you can take. Okay, but सबसे last वाला जो है वो 72 है, तो 80 के बाद तो 80 पे stop करेंगे, ठीक है? Now the second step is on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to what? 10 saplings. Now, please pay attention everyone carefully. Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya. How many schools are there? How many schools we are going to compare? Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya. So we will take Nutan Vidyalaya as blank. मतलब हम उसमें कुछ भी कलर फिल नहीं कर रहे. And Bharat Vidyalaya as dark. ठीक है, नूतन विद्यालय as white and Bharat Vidyalaya as dark. Now, see how many almond saplings for Nutan is 40 and for Bharat is 42. ठीक है, नूतन के लिए 40 है और भारत के लिए 42 है. ठीक है, तो after 1 centimeter, after leaving this 1 centimeter, ठीक है, I will take a line, I will draw a line for नूतन विद्यालय because मेरा नूतन विद्यालय blank में मैं consider कर रही हूँ, and number of saplings for नूतन विद्यालय is 40. तो ये जो आपका छोटा 5 सेंटीमीटर है वहां तक आपका हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन जाएगा. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? 1 सेंटीमीटर, दो डार्क लाइन के बीच में एक छोटा डार्क लाइन रहता है ना, जो 5 मिलीमीटर का रहता है. समझ में आ रहा है? ग्राफ पेपर में आप अगर केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो 1 सेंटीमीटर ये जो टू डार्क एंड लाइन रहते हैं ग्रीन कलर के, और उनके बीच में एक उससे भी कम लाइट मतलब डार्क ग्रीन लाइन रहता है, दैट इज ऑफ 5 मिलीमीटर. ठीक है, बाकी की लाइन जो रहती है वो एकदम लाइट कलर की रहती है, ये दो लाइन जो रहती है वो डार्क कलर की रहती है, उससे थोड़ा कम डार्क जो रहती है वो मिडल लाइन रहती है, दैट इज ऑफ 5 मिलीमीटर। ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, ऑलमेंट कितना है हमारा नूतन विद्यालय का 40, तो हम यहाँ पे 40 लेंगे। ठीक है, वो लाइट ग्रीन लाइन की तरफ मीन्स 5 मिलीमीटर का एक वहां तक हम लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, और फिर उसमें से हम नीचे लेके आएंगे वो लाइन को। ठीक है, फिर हमारा भारत विद्यालय कितना लाइन पे है, 42, तो हम 42 तक जाएंगे, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, क्योंकि वन जो लाइट कलर का लाइन रहेगा वो 1 मिलीमीटर का रहेगा। ठीक है, हमारा 42 है तो 2 लाइन लाइट कलर का लाइन आएगा 42। ठीक है, फिर हम हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड देन वी विल कम इट डाउन। ओके, come it down, okay, put it down. So that is this white color line is our almond saplings for Nutan Vidyalay, and these darkened saplings for 42 is for Bharat Vidyalay. ठीक है, this is for Nutan and this is for Bharat, and this will be completed in 1 centimeter only. ठीक है, या तो फिर आप 1 सेंटीमीटर का भी नूतन विद्यालय ले सकते हो। जिस नूतन विद्यालय 40 आप पूरा 1 सेंटीमीटर का लो, फिर आपका 42 जाएगा ऊपर, और फिर ये आपका 1 सेंटीमीटर ही 42 रहेगा, ये रहेगा भारत विद्यालय, फिर आप नीचे आओगे। या तो आप 5 mm का नूतन विद्यालय 5 mm के लिए भारत विद्यालय लो, या तो फिर आप 1 सेंटीमीटर के लिए नूतन विद्यालय, 1 सेंटीमीटर के लिए भारत विद्यालय लो। It's your choice whether you want to take Nutan Vidyalay for 5 millimeter, Bharat Vidyalay for 5 millimeter. It's your choice whether you can take it for 1 centimeter for Nutan Vidyalay, 1 centimeter for Bharat Vidyalay. But your scale should be like this. You will your Nutan Vidyalay will goes up to 40. Okay, then make it down. Then goes up, that will be 42, and then will goes then draw horizontal line and let it down. ठीक है, तो that will be of joint bar graph for Nutan Vidyalay and Bharat Vidyalay. This is a sapling for Nutan Vidyalay, these are the saplings for Bharat Vidyalay. And which saplings are these? Almond. So this is this graph, this x-axis for name of sapling, कौन सा sapling हम plant कर रहे हैं, आलमंड, करंज, नीम, अशोक, गुलमोहर। तो ये हमारा ऑलमंड के लिए हो गया। ठीक है, नाउ करंज फॉर नूतन विद्यालय, करंज 60 है, तो आई विल टेक अ लाइन ऑफ 60। ओके, ये एक बॉक्स छोड़ के, ये 1 सेंटीमीटर छोड़ के मैं 1 से ये लूंगी, करंज का लूंगी 60 तक, फिर 5 मिलीमीटर का उसका हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन रहेगा, फिर वो नीचे आएगा। और करंज कितना है, 38 है। ठीक है, तो 38 और फिर वो नीचे आएगा। तो ये मेरा व्हाइट जो है वो नूतन विद्यालय के लिए, इसको मैं थोड़ा डार्क करूंगी, दैट बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज आई रिप्रेजेंट भारत विद्यालय एज डार्क। ठीक है, नाउ फॉर नीम नूतन विद्यालय is 72, so make it 72, make a line and it will goes up to 72, make horizontal line for 5 millimeter and let it down. Okay, then 60 for Bharat Vidyalay and then let it down. Now white will remain as it is, and this darkened part, make it darkened part. Okay, now Ashok, it is 15 for Nutan Vidyalay and it is 25 for Bharat Vidyalay. Okay, for Gulmohar, it is 42 for Nutan Vidyalay and 40 for Bharat Vidyalay. I hope you understood this. I will make you understand again. Please pay attention, those who have not understood this. Okay, the first step, wait a minute students. First step is to draw x-axis. Now draw with me the instruction which I am going to give you. Just draw with me. Okay, now first draw near the bottom of the graph paper x-axis. X-axis draw karo pencil se. Okay, now then draw y-axis. Then draw y-axis. Okay, draw y-axis. Now take a scale On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 10 saplings. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now this x-axis will represent name of sapling and y-axis will represent number of sapling. How many number of saplings each school planted. Now if I want to compare the two schools, तो मुझे कुछ label करना पड़ेगा ना school को. तो नूतन विद्यालय, I will represent नूतन विद्यालय as white and I will represent भारत विद्यालय as dark. Now almond for नूतन विद्यालय are 40, तो मैं ये draw करूंगी 40 का एक box of 5 millimeter. ये 5 millimeter होना चाहिए. And then for almond 42. ये होने के बाद ये जो वन पार्ट है भारत विद्यालय का वो मैं डार्कन करूंगी और नूतन विद्यालय का व्हाइट रिमेन एज इट इज. नाउ फॉर करंज अगेन इट इज 60, तो आई विल ड्रॉ अ बॉक्स फॉर 60 बार ग्राफ, बार फॉर 60 and bar for 1 bar for 38 for Karanj, and then I will darken the Bharat Vidyalaya, darken it for Bharat Vidyalaya. Then name is for 72, I will make 72 bar and then I will joint it by Bharat Vidyalaya, which is for 60. Okay. Now I will draw till 15 and then it is for 25 and then I will make it darken as it represent for Bharat Vidyalaya. Now Gulmohar again it is 42 and Bharat Vidyalaya is for 40. So I will again darken this Bharat part. Okay? So this is for Almond, Karanj, Neem, Ashok and Gulmohar. So this is my bar graph. Okay, joint bar graph. It seems clear. Okay, it should be clear. Like your graph or scale carries marks. Your representation for each school carries marks. Your bar graph, joint bar graph carries marks, and this x-axis and y-axis also carries marks. So these kinds of question can come for four marks. Okay, so scale carry 1 mark. This scale and this Nutan Vidyalaya, Bharat Vidyalaya, whatever you are comparing, that should be noted, that carries 1 marks. Your joint bar graph carries 2 marks. Your x-axis and y-axis carries 1 mark, and whatever the naming is there, that carries 1 mark. So this problem can come for 4 mark or 3 mark, whatever the marks it carries, but the scale carry 1 mark. So don't forget, means your all the graphs has been corrected, but if you have not written scale, so you will lose your 1 mark. So it is very essential to mark scale on the top of the right hand side of the graph paper. Okay, topmost portion of the graph paper, make scale, then first draw x-axis, y-axis, then take a scale. Okay, and then x-axis represented for name of sapling, y-axis represented for number of sapling. Draw as per the scale, take your points and then make graph for it. This is your joint bar graph. Understood everyone? Now I will allow you to chat. Okay, I hope everyone clear regarding this. I hope everyone clear regarding this. Yes. Okay, we'll see another sum. We'll see another sum so that your doubts will be clear. Okay. Now question number 2 is what? The table below shows the number of people who had the different juices at a juice bar on a Saturday and a Sunday. Draw a joint bar graph for this data कि Saturday में कौन से juices रहते हैं और Sunday में कितने juices रहते हैं. Okay, so we will make a graph for Saturday and Sunday. Okay, now what is the first step? First step is to draw x-axis near the bottom of the page and draw y-axis to the left hand side and make it intersection, and intersection point is O. Okay, that is a point of origin, 0, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, now let's say this data is in the range of 10 to 100 again. Okay, so we will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 90. Okay, means 1 centimeter equal to 10 people. Their saplings were there, that's why we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 10 saplings. Here juices which the people drinks. Okay, see, people number, the table shows number of people who had different juices at a juice bar on Saturday and Sunday. So number of means 1 centimeter equal to 10 people we are going to take. And here name of juices है ना, sweet lime, orange, apple, pineapple, that is fruits. ठीक है, and यहाँ पे number of people आएंगे. तो 10, 20, 30, मोस्टली 10 और 100 के बीच में ही हमारा ग्राफ रहता है. तो 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू अगर सैपलिंग रहेगा तो सैपलिंग, पीपल रहेंगे तो पीपल. तो 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 पीपल. Then 20, 30, 40, 50, so on up to 100 or 90, 80, whatever the data is given, that it up to you. Okay. Now sweet lime, this Saturday we will take blank as Saturday, we can take shaded as Sunday. So sweet lime, how many sweet limes are there? How many sweet limes are there? 43 sweet limes are there for Saturday. So we will make a graph of 43. 43 तक जाएंगे और फिर उसको नीचे ले जाएंगे और फिर जाएंगे 59 तक and then we'll let it down. Okay. Then for oranges it is 30. Okay, सैटरडे के लिए 30 है तो ये 30 तक बनाएंगे हम एक ग्राफ. फिर उसको जॉइंट करेंगे, कितना है यहाँ पे 65, तो 65 को नीचे लेके आएंगे and make it shaded. Okay, make it shaded. Now here apples are 55. Okay, and apples for Sundays I think 78, so that will goes up and then make it down. Then 40 is for Saturday, pineapple, and 67 I think so. Wait a minute. 67, yes, 67, and then make it down. So that will be your graph. Just make it, this is sweet lime, this is orange, this is apple, and this is pineapple, this is for fruits, and this is for number of people. So 20, 30, so on up to 100, this is for number of people, this is for fruits, right? And then this is for Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Now question number 3 is understood till this. Simple sums hai na ye? Yes. Okay. So you can make it now. We can make it as activity. What you are going to do? I am giving you this third sum. This third sum I am giving you. Now here in this third sum, what is there? The following numbers of votes were cast at 5 polling booths during the Gram Panchayat election. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Now main number of votes. So main is 200, women 700. So this data is given, but here we cannot take 10, 20, so on up to 100, right? So what kind of graph we on y-axis we are going to take 1 centimeter equal to 100 people. Okay, or else you can take 1 centimeter equal to 100 votes. क्योंकि votes दिए हुए ना, but vote कौन देते हैं? People. So you can take people or else you can take votes. ठीक है? तो first of all draw x-axis, then draw y-axis, then take a scale. Second step is take a scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 100 people. Now 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay, this is for number of persons or number of people, and this is booth number है ना. booth number है कि 1 booth number पे कितना voting हुआ, second booth number पे कितना voting, third, fourth, fifth. ठीक है. Now first of all यहाँ पे 200 है, तो you can take green color for men or blue color for men and take pink color for women. ठीक है. तो take a graph paper everyone. Draw x-axis, draw y-axis. Now take one scale 1 on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 100 people. ठीक है. यहाँ पे booth number डालो और booth number डालने के बाद 200. अब पहले ग्राफ बना लो पेंसिल से. First make a graph with pencil. All these things make with pencil. Only this shaded part, what you are going to do? You can take blue color for men and pink color for women so that you can color it. If you don't want to color, you can make cutouts of your chart paper and stick on it. ठीक है. So for men it is different and for women it should be different. Okay. Now do this activity everyone. I am going to unmute anyone so that to check whether you have completed this or not. So what you are going to do, we are going to do activity on this, as we can take men with blue color and we can take women with pink color, and we can make a joint graph with this. Okay, first make x-axis, then make y-axis. On y-axis take 1 centimeter is equal to 100 people. Then take blue color with men and pink color with women. Now the men are 200 on booth number 1 and 700 on 700 women on booth number 1. So men and women. So men, number of votes for of men are 200, women are 700. So color this part and take it as booth number 1. Now booth number 2, for booth number 2, number of men are more than women. Okay, so compare it. In booth number 3, number of men are women more than number of women. Now in this case, again number of men are more than number of women, and here also number of men are more than number of women. So this is all about joint bar graph. Okay. So in this case, first do the activity very quickly, and I will unmute anyone, and you are supposed to show me your graph, how you decorate it. Okay. So your time start now and do it very fast. Once you have done, just raise your hand. Okay. Once you done, just raise your hand so that I can come to know whether you have completed or not, so that I can see your graph, how you have completed it. Okay. Okay, so I will see who's first bar graph. Okay, wait a minute. I am sharing my screen with you. Okay, just see and make it. Okay, now proper. Only this problem you have to do. And this men and women, you have to use different color. Okay. You can make this as, see, for example, this is my color, so I can make main with blue color. This main with blue color, I can make this main with blue color. Okay. Only one sum you will do like this. Other sum you will use only pencil. And this one I am going to take with pink color. है ना? I am not MF Hussaina. I don't color it properly. I don't know how to color. I am a good maths teacher, but I am not a good drawing teacher. Wait a minute. In this way you have to color. Okay. I hope you understand this. How to draw joint bar graph. Your concept is clear. How to draw joint bar graph. Yes. We have to do these bar graph. Yes, you have to do this bar graph that you are going to show me. Yes. Wait a minute, student. To you can take scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 also. It's up to you. बट यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बहुत कम है ना, 35, 40, 45 है, तो हमारा ग्राफ एकदम छोटा दिखेगा, लाइक एकदम छोटा दिखेगा 40 45 अगर हम 10 20 30 40 लेते हैं तो. So better you can take 5 10 15 20 25. You can take 10 20 30, it's up to you, no problem. Okay, or else you can take 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 25 30 35 40 45 50. So we have taken on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Now for Delhi it is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, maximum temperature, and minimum temperature is what, 25. So make it shaded. Now for activity only one sum we have done with two different colors, right? But now for other sums you are not supposed to use colors. Even in exam also you are not supposed to use color. You should make graph with pencil only. तो अगर आपको डिफरेंस दिखाना है तो आप डिफरेंस कैसे दिखा सकते हो? यहाँ पे आप या तो एक पार्ट शेडेड करो या तो फिर एक पार्ट में ऐसे लाइंस ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. वन पार्ट यू कैन मेक you can draw lines like this. ठीक है, for one part you can draw lines like this, and for another part you can make dots like this. ठीक है, या तो फिर आप एक प्लेन रखो और एक जो है वो शेडेड करो. ठीक है, और एल्स यू कैन मेक पैटर्न, बट विथ पेंसिल ओनली. जो आपका रेगुलर पेंसिल है वही आप यूज कर सकते हो. या तो ये पार्ट जो है वो ऐसे यू कैन मेक डिजाइन ऑन इट. वन पार्ट इज ऑफ डिफरेंट डिजाइन पैटर्न, अनदर पार्ट for another pattern, but it should be clearly mentioned. So for maximum temperature I have taken this line part, and for minimum temperature I have made the pattern like this. ठीक है, और सिंपल वे, इसमें टाइम वेस्ट करने से बेटर है एक पार्ट जो है वो प्लेन रखो और एक पार्ट जो है वो शेडेड बनाओ. Okay, for Delhi maximum temperature is 35, minimum temperature is 26, I think so. ठीक है, now for Mumbai it is, let me see what it is. 26. For Mumbai it is 32 and 25. Let me clear the drawing first. Clear everyone? I hope everyone clear regarding this doubts. Okay, no one is having any doubt. Okay, understood? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur and Kapurthala, and here the first x-axis, here city, and here number temperature. ठीक है, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. Let me check the chat box also. No doubt, very good. Okay, so for only one that we have done activity just to understand the difference, how to show the difference by bar graph, joint bar graph. Okay, now you have to draw with pencil only, as well as you can take one as blank and one as shaded, or else you can make different pattern, but the pattern should be mentioned in the scale itself. Okay, I hope everyone understood this. Fourth problem, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur, Kapurthala, 5 degrees Celsius low, and then make a graph of it. Okay, very good students, very good. Seventh one is vaccination. So you can take 1 centimeter equal to 10. In every problem we have taken scale 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Only in problem number 5, in this problem we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Okay, you can take it as 10 units also. ठीक है, आपको अगर confusion है तो आप 10 ही लो. ठीक है, otherwise in every problem we have taken on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Now see the graph here, and answer me in chat box. This is also a part of activity. Okay, so this is a bar graph. In which year did Ajay and Vijay both produce equal quantities of wheat? In which year? This is blue part is for Ajay and this white part for Vijay. In which year Ajay and Vijay both produces equal quantities of wheat? Because they have produces wheat, okay, and in every year Ajay got somewhat loss, Vijay got somewhat loss, or else in some year Ajay got somewhat gain, more gain than Vijay. So in which year Ajay and Vijay got equal quantities of wheat? In the year 2011. Very good. In the year 2011. See, in 2011 both are having same wheat production है ना, 40 क्विंटल. या अजय के पास भी 40 क्विंटल प्रोडक्ट है, विजय के पास भी 40 क्विंटल ही प्रोडक्ट है. So that means in 2011 both Ajay and Levin got the equal quantities of wheat. In the year 2014 who produced more wheat? 2014 में किसने wheat सबसे ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस किया, अजय और विजय? In the year 2014 Ajay. Very good, because this Ajay blue, dark blue part represent for Ajay. So Ajay produces more quantity of wheat than Vijay. Very good. Now in year 2013, year 2013, how much wheat did Ajay and Vijay each produce? Ajay produces how many quintal of wheat and Vijay produces how many quintal of wheat? Let me know in chat box. Ajay produces how many, not more or not less. Yes, Tanvi is given right answer. Ajay produces 40 quintal and Vijay produces 30. Very good. Ajay produces 40 quintal and Vijay produces 30 quintal of wheat. Okay, understood till this? Now let's see another. See, the answers are both produces equal quantity of wheat in the year 2011. Ajay produced more wheat in the year 2014. Ajay's wheat production in 2013 is 40 quintal. Vijay's wheat production in 2030 is 30 quintal. Okay. Now question number 2 is the minimum and maximum temperature in Pune, like this only. ठीक है, तो x एक्सिस पे कौन सा डेटा है, y एक्सिस पे कौन सा डेटा है, वो भी दिया हुआ है. Now see this kind of, we have seen joint bar graph. Now this kind of graph is known as histogram. यहाँ पे देखो एक ग्राफ है, यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन नहीं है, सिर्फ कौन सा ग्रुप कितना प्रोडक्शन कर रहा है वो दिखाते हैं. So this is known as histogram. Okay, this is known as histogram. जो ग्राफ सिर्फ लाइन से, जो ग्राफ सिर्फ बार से शो करते हैं, that is known as histogram, and they are very closely joined to each other, that is known as histogram. This is known as line graph, as we show the graph by dots and then join it. ये हम ग्राफ जो है वो डॉट से शो करते हैं, ठीक है, और उसके बाद उसको लाइन से ज्वाइन करते हैं. So this is known as line graph. And our third one is pie chart. कितना प्रोडक्शन, पहले सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हैं और फिर कितना प्रोडक्शन, कितना परसेंटेज प्रोडक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज 30%. So we will show this 30% like this. We will show 20% like this. So this is all about pie chart. So this is pie chart, line graph, and this is histogram. Histogram we show like this. Line graph we show like this. And pie chart we show like this. Okay? So this is all about joint bar graph, histogram, and pie chart. Okay, that's all for today, children. I hope you understood this chapter very well.